Hello everyone. Question is no user defined logs are used in your database. Which three are true about transaction control language TCL? Option A commit erases all the transactions, save points and releases its logs. Option B commit ends the transaction and makes all its changes permanent. Option C rollback without the to save point clause undoes all the transactions changes but does not release its logs. Option D rollback to save point undoes the transactions changes made since the name save point and ends the transaction. Option E rollback without the to save point clause undoes all the transactions changes, releases its logs, and erases all its save points. Option F rollback without the to save point clause undoes all the transactions changes but does not erase its save points. Correct answer is option A, B, and option E. Question is examine this query. Which two methods should you use to prevent prompting for a higher date value when this query is executed? Option A use the define command before executing the query. Option B store the query in a script and pass the substitution value to the script when executing it. Option C replace this with this in the query. Option D execute the set verify off command before executing the query. Option E use the undefined command before executing the query. Option F execute the set verify on command before executing the query. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is which statement is true about using functions in where and having? Option A using single row functions in the where clause requires a subquery. Option B using single row functions in the having clause requires a subquery. Option C using aggregate functions in the where clause requires a subquery. Option D using aggregate functions in the having clause requires a subquery. Correct answer is option A and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is which two are true? Option A concat joins two or more character strings together. Option B floor returns the largest integer less than or equal to a specified number. Option C concat joins two character strings together. Option D instr finds the offset within a string of a single character only. Option E instr finds the offset within a character string starting from position 0. Option D floor returns the largest positive integer less than or equal to a specified number. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is which two statements are true about conditional insert all? Option A each row returned by the subquery can be inserted into only a single target table. Option B it cannot have an else clause. Option C the total number of rows inserted in always equal to the number of rows returned by the subquery. Option D a single when condition can be used for multiple into clauses. Option E each when condition is tested for each row returned by the subquery. Correct answer is option D and option E. Question is which three are true about the create table command? Option A it can include the create index statement for creating an index to enforce the primary key constraint. Option B, the owner of the table should have space quota available on the table space where the table is defined. Option C, it implicitly executes a commit. Option D, it implicitly rolls back by depending transactions. Option E, a user must have the creative any table privilege to create any table privilege to create tables. Option F, the owner of the table must have the unlimited table space system privilege. Correct answer is option A, B, and option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.